Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I got a message from a Facebook user requesting that I help him with an assignment to write a program using conditional statements. Yes, I do get messages like that. So this one, I said I am going to share it with you guys so you can also learn from it. It was given an assignment to write a program using a conditional statement to determine the appropriate shipping cost based on the weight of a package. So in this video, I'm going to show you the code and explain them to you step by step. Now, before you begin writing any program, you first need to write out how the program is going to function. This is what I am trying to say. You have to set a rule on how the program is going to execute. In this program, we will calculate the shipping cost based on the weight of the package. So I am saying that packages weighing 0 to 1 kg will cost $5. Packaging weighing over 1 to 5 kg cost $10. Packages weighing over 5 to 10 kg cost $20. Packages weighing more than 10 kg cost $50. So this is how I want the program to run. If a customer buys anything that is weighing between 0 to 1 kg, it will cost that customer $5. Over 1 to 5 kg, it will cost the customer $10. Over 5 to 10 kg, it will cost the customer $20. Then more than 10 kg, it will cost the customer $50. Now let's write the program. The first thing you need to do is to get the weight of the package from the user. To do that, you just write weight equal to float, then you open a bracket. Let's use the input function. Input. Then we say enter the weight of the package in kg. Okay, so we have done that. With this line of code, you are prompting the user to enter the weight of the package. The input here is converted, the input here is converted to a floating point number using this float to allow for fractional weight. Then our next line of code, you will have to define a function. So you say define a function, calculate shipping cost, and open a bracket, write the weight, and end with a colon. This line defines a function named calculate shipping cost that takes one argument, which is weight. The purpose of the calculate shipping cost weight function is to determine the shipping cost based on the weight of the package. Now here comes the conditional statement. If weight is less than or equal to 1, semicolon, return. Remember, we are using the function here, so we have to use the return 5. So we are saying here if the weight is 1 kg or less, the shipping cost is $5. Then we use the elif, weight is less than or equal to 5. We will say return $10, which is 10. So which means if the weight is greater than 1 kg but less than or equal to 5 kg, the shipping cost is $10. We are using another elif again, saying weight, which means if the weight is less than or equal to 10, which is 10 kg, semicolon, return $20, which means if the weight is greater than 5 kg but less than or equal to 10 kg, the shipping cost is $20. Then we end with this as return 50. Now we are saying here if the weight is more than 10 kg, the shipping cost is $50. The next line of code will be to calculate the shipping cost, and here it is. So we go back, shipping cost is equal to calculate shipping cost. Then in bracket we include weight. Here I called the calculate shipping cost function with the user's input, which is weight, and store the result in the shipping cost variable, which we have here, shipping cost variable. Okay, now printing the result, we use the print function. So we say print, we use the f string and say the shipping cost for a package when this is where we use a curly bracket because we are using an f string here. Weight kg is, we include the dollar sign here because we want it written in dollars. Then you open another curly bracket and type in shipping cost because that is our variable there. Include the full stop. So we print the shipping cost along with the weight of the package using an F string for formatting. What is an F string? An F string, which is also known as formatted string literal, is a way to embed expressions inside string literals using curly brackets. So whenever you are using an F string, you are to input curly brackets into the print statement. The curly brackets are used to include variables or expressions inside the string. Anything inside the curly bracket is evaluated and converted to a string and then included in the final string output. When you run this program, it will prompt you to enter the weight of the package. Based on the input, it will calculate and display the shipping cost. Let me run it so you can see it for yourself. Okay, the first request is enter the weight of the package in kg. So let me see the weight of the package is 25 kg. Hit the enter key. You can see the shipping cost for a package weighing 25.0 kg is $50. Hope you still remember our instruction. Packages weighing more than 10 kg will cost $50. And if you go back to our code again, you will see what I also stated there. If you look at the code, I ended with S return 50. This means if any of the criteria above are not met, return 50. That means if the weight is more than 10 kg, the shipping cost should be $50 because our IS here is less than or equal to 10. But when it is more than 10 kg, it should return 50, which means if it is more than 10 kg, the cost of that item is $50. So this program is a practical example of using conditional statement in Python to make decisions based on input values, which is a common requirement in many real-world applications. So there you have it for this video. If you got value from this video, please hit the like button to encourage me to bring more. If you have not subscribed, please do so as it means a lot to me. And if you are a beginner who want to learn Python programming, do subscribe to this channel and also click the link in the description box below to join my community on Facebook. I do share daily Python programming tips and tutorials there. So if you want to take advantage of that to learn how to become a Python programmer, do click the link in the description box below this video and join my Facebook group. Alright? See you on the other side.